This GitHub link given at description below. Copy from that. Open Termux and type the command nh git clone and paste the link. Now cd psychokex repair. Type ls. Give the executing permission. Command is chmod plus x psychokex repair. ls and enter. To install the packages, give the command sudo /psychokex repair. Enter the password. The password is KALI. The installation process will be started. This process will be take 5 minutes or more, based on your network performance. Now I'm speeding up the process. After some time you will get the successful installation message. Some users are getting failing installation. Before the installation, please do apt-get update and apt-get upgrade. Then you will get succeed. Now set the password for VNC. And confirm the password. For view-only password, type N and enter. The next command is start kex. The VNC server will be going to start. Open the Play Store and search for VNC Viewer. Install and open. Click on plus button. Enter the IP address is 127.0.0.1:5901. Give any name and create. Open and connect. Click on OK. Enter the password you've set. And continue. The graphical frame will be open. Click on I button. And set the picture quality at high. Now it's working. Here is your Kali Nethunter. Open the terminal and type sudo su and enter. Enter the password. Password is KALI. Now it's working. You can close the display from here. Or open the termux command is stop kex. VNC server will be stopped. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.